Hello viewers, Centroid and Centre of Mass question 2b. So we've got the same lamina that we had in in the last video. Now we're going to evaluate a centroid as being made of a large rectangle with a rectangular hull. So let's do our table. So we've got the laminae, which this video will only need two. We've got the big large rectangle and we've got the hole in the middle. So for the big large rectangle, we've got a height of 1 metre plus 40 centimetres is 1.4 metres, and the whole thing is 3 metres wide, making the area 1.4 times 3, which is 4.2, and we are dealing with a rectangle. Its x bar is therefore going to be half of 3, which is 1.5. A times x bar is therefore 4.2 times 1.5, giving us 6.3. And y bar is, so we've already identified that it is 1.4 metres high. Half of that is 0.7. And a times y bar is 4.2 times 0.7, giving you 2.94. So that is the outside of the shape. Now let's deal with the hole. So how wide is it firstly? So from the left hand end up to the edge of the hole is 1.5 metres. So we've got 1.5 metres along here. We've got half a metre along here. So this must be 3 metres minus 1.5 metres minus 0.5 metres gives you 1 metre. So the hole is 1 metre wide, and that is 1 metre minus 40 centimetres, so minus 0.4 of a metre gives you a height of 0.6. Area of the hole is therefore 1 times 0.6 is 0.6, and as it's a hole with removed mass, that's going to be a negative. Now, where is the centre of the hole in the x bar direction? So we've identified that to be 1 metre. Half of this must therefore be 0.5 metres, which would be, adding in this 1.5 metre gives you 2 metres from the left hand end. And a times x bar is minus 0.6 times 2, giving you minus 1.2. So what about y bar for the hole? So it's, as we've identified, 0.6 metres high, half of that is 0.3. Add in this 0.4 metres gives you a height of 0.7 metres from the bottom, and negative 0.6 times 0.7 gives you negative 0.42. So let's work out our totals, which are going to be 4.2 minus 0.6 gives you 3.6. We don't need the x bar or the y bar totals. Total of the AX bar column is 6.3 minus 1.2, giving you 5.1, and the total of the AY bar column is 2.94 minus 0.42, giving you 2.52. Okay, so your x bar is sum of the AX bars divided by sum of the areas, which is 5.1 divided by 3.6, giving you 1.42, and sum of your y bars over sum of your areas is going to be your overall y bar, which is 2.52 divided by 3.6, giving you 0.7. So therefore the overall position of the centroid is at 1.42 metres across from the left hand end. Remember, our origin is that bottom left corner, and the vertical position of the centroid is 0.7 of a metre above that point, which is in complete agreement with what we got in the previous video when we evaluated it as being made of 4 separate rectangles. Thanks for watching. Over and out.